Julian, where are you at? We're supposed to be shooting a video today. Julian. Dude, come on. Come on.
Back order. What? What's up YouTube? Welcome back. Another episode of Parts and Coffee. Today I have an intake I would like to show you guys. This intake is specifically for the 6.7 Powerstrokes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Come here, quick. That wasn't me sleeping in the excursion. We're gonna cut that out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The first thing you guys are gonna see is of course the tubing, you can't miss it. The tube is made here in-house at Sinister. Everything from the MAF plate to the bung and even the mandrel bending. This is gonna feature 4-inch ID, because size does matter. Speaking of size, moving over to the filter. It's gonna be a 10-inch tall filter. It's gonna have a metal filter guard around it to prevent any collapsing or even any damages. It's gonna look good under the hood and it will outflow the factory intake. All that's left to show you guys, just the clamps, durable 5-ply boot. Wow! I actually can't believe that worked. Well, here it is, the intake, fully assembled. It's gonna improve throttle response time, way more airflow, great for daily driving, great for towing. For my race guys, it's gonna benefit you on the track. For my do-it-at-home guys, we didn't forget about you. Full instruction guide is gonna come with every intake. Now, if you look closer into the bag, you will see a very pricey sticker. The intake from 11 all the way up to 19 is 50 state legal for my California residents. That's gonna end today's video. I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. And then I'll just be like, kablow! And then, kablow! 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 And then it'll be put together.
Okay.
It's never happened to me before. Okay. Now that we got everything unboxed, let's go around the room and see what everything does here. I don't like that. You stuttered. Now that we got everything unboxed, let's go around the room and let's Now that we got everything unboxed, let's go around the table and let's I can't. Speaking of size, let's move on to the filter. Filter's gonna be 10 inches tall, and we did put a metal cage around here just in case to prevent collapsing, or I'm gonna have to redo that. I was nipple attached to your support bracket. That's a good looking nipple. You got a boot. Hey everyone. Thanks for stopping by.